Hello everyone, welcome to Kraziisters. In this video, we will learn how to make a table mat using paper. To make a table mat, you need 3 sheets of different colors, a pencil, scissors, a ruler, and a fevicol. You can also use newspaper to make the mat. First of all, take a sheet. Here, I am using a grey one and cut it into dimensions 21 into 14 centimeter. Cut the yellow sheet into strips of dimensions 21 into 1.5 centimeter. Now, take another sheet and make the borders of dimensions 21 into 0.5 centimeter for the longer side and 14 into 0.5 centimeter for the shorter one. You can take any colored sheet as per your choice. Now, take the grey sheet and draw the border lines of width 0.5 cm. After drawing the border, draw the lines of 1.5 cm width on the sheet as shown. Now, cut the lines using scissors. You can also use a cutter. After cutting, take the yellow strips and insert them alternatively into the grey sheet. Once you have inserted all the strips, paste the borders using a fevicol. After that, cut the extra sheet. Yippee! Your table mat is ready. You can also make different shapes or sizes of mats as per your requirement. Moreover, we can make coasters using the same method by taking smaller dimensions. Thanks for watching. If you like this craft, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, bye. We'll see you soon.